let's walk and address a critical issue within the legal system, and that being the inherent danger of civil court injustice and its role in perpetuating inequality. When corruption infiltrates legal proceedings, it poses a significant threat to the principle of equal justice under the law. When the integrity of legal proceedings is compromised, it creates a breeding ground for exploitation by those with greater financial resources or influential connections to exploit the system, placing marginalized individuals at a severe disadvantage. The consequences of such corruption extend far beyond individual cases, contributing to the widening gap between the powerful and the powerless in society. The legal system, ostensibly designed to serve as a neutral arbiter leveling the playing field for all, becomes a distorted tool that reinforces and entrenches societal inequities. In this distorted landscape, justice is no longer blind but rather swayed by the weight of wealth and influence. The powerful can manipulate the system to their advantage with apparent impunity, while the powerless face insurmountable barriers to justice. Whether the legal industry wants to concede to this position or not, this appears to be the case today. The perpetuation of inequality through corrupt legal practices has ripple effects that extend well beyond the courtroom. As a consequence, access to justice, a fundamental tenet of a fair society, is compromised, with the marginalized visibly denied a fair chance to assert their rights, and the legal system, instead of acting as a safeguard, becomes complicit in widening the gap between the privileged and the disenfranchised. To address this issue, a comprehensive examination of legal frameworks and mechanisms to prevent corruption within the legal system is imperative. Strengthening transparency, promoting accountability, and ensuring that checks and balances are robustly enforced are essential steps. Additionally, fostering a culture of ethical conduct among legal professionals and stakeholders is crucial in upholding the integrity of the legal system. Ultimately, combating civil court injustice and its role in perpetuating inequality requires a concerted effort to reclaim the essence of justice, a principle that transcends financial standing and social connections. Only through systemic reforms and a commitment to upholding the principles of fairness and equality can we hope to build a legal system that truly serves the interests of all members of society, regardless of their background or status. But what do you think?